So the gender sensitization we say, last time also spoke about it. Okay. Now I want to make few things very clear to everybody. Charity starts at home, right? Charity begins at home. अगर आपको नहीं पता इसका मतलब तो आप Google कर लीजिए. So being me, I will not say gender means only women. Gender men भी है, ठीक है? Sensitization है, लेकिन since the women are sometimes underprivileged or have to have some sort of discrimination. That is why when we talk about gender sensitization, especially the weightage is always for women. Okay? ठीक है? ठीक है? So I want to start with myself only. First of all, shelve this Team CG group. Shelve it. We are 4 people. If somebody wants to send me messages separately, then what is the point of having a group? Tell me. Shelve it right now. I'm telling you, Basupar, now. And I do not know. I can also do it, but shelve it right now. Because I do not want. Secondly, I want to make it very clear. I'm nobody's friend, nobody's assistant. I'm a head of the post, also a women officer. Nobody sends me any single line messages. Please. I'm nobody's friend. I'm under no obligation to get any WhatsApp messages in one line. WhatsApp message, my number is my personal number. If anybody wants to send me anything, please send me on my local number, a formal message or a formal email. I will respond that. But I will not entertain a single WhatsApp message without courtesies. I'm also telling I will block that number, put it on record. I have blocked many people and I will block. I'm under no obligation. What sensitization we are talking about? If we do not know how to speak to the lady officer who is the head of the post. I'm sick and tired of this. What is okay? Am I your assistant? Okay. What is okay? Okay, ma'am. That's the basic courtesy. I'm not asking for your due respects. Anybody's due respects. I'm not asking for that. But at least basic courtesies have to be there. It has to be also taught. I mean, most of you might be elder than me in age, I'm telling you. But the thing is that why one-line messages to me? I mean, this is really outrageous. So the sensitization starts with these protocols. At least thoda sa to courtesy rakhiye. Irrespective of anything, I am not demanding anything. आपको फिर then I will be very clear. If you have to send me something formal, भेजिए, हर चीज formal है. आपका leave application सब कुछ formal है. Not like okay madam, I'm going for physiotherapy. Okay, so then I will expect everything then formally put up to me. If you want me to be lenient, I also expect something. I'm not saying you write okay, respected madam, dear. No, but at least a basic courtesy has to be there. इस कुर्सी का तो मान रख लीजिए, किसी और चीज का रखना है कि नहीं रखना है. I'm sorry to say, but this is the worst mission I have ever seen where people do not know how to speak to their seniors. कोई hierarchy का मान ही नहीं है. Hi, hello, am I friend? I can say hello to anybody, but nobody says hello to me. Nobody. Listen any voice messages of mine. I always start with either hi, hello, morning, namaste, whatever. Even if I send her, I say hi Suparna. Do I do or not? So the thing is that when we talk about sensitization, it starts from your own this thing. And these small little things which count. I need not to tell this. You guys have enough people. I am sure you have done more service than me in terms of years. And I really do not know आप लोगों ने किसके साथ में काम किया है, किसी ने आपको ट्रेन नहीं किया, I do not know. This is the first mission I have seen where people do not know how to speak to their seniors. And I am telling this last time, enough is enough. Anybody sending me any one-line messages without any due courtesies, I'm blocked. I will block. And I can show you the Deputy Dean of FSI is still blocked and it's on record, okay? Because I do not entertain people with shitty things. I'm telling you. And किसी में कुछ भी हो, WhatsApp is my personal number. Then you send me on my this number, which I have got in Sapal. I will not entertain a single message. I'm telling you. If we are talking in a communication continuously, that's a separate thing. I expect you that okay for me. I'm not demanding any regards, but at least on record it has to be proper. I'm telling you, very, very clear. And I am telling you, shelve the group and block. I will block it. I'm telling you, there are many people who I made archive. There are many people who I block because I don't need any nonsense from anybody. This is plain clear. Nobody says hi and hello to me. Please. I'm not your friend. I'm not your assistant. What are you talking about? I'm a senior. Have some respect, not to me, but to the chair which I am holding. And who has been appointed by the President of India, by the way. And who has been accepted by the government. So anyway, this was my thing. किसके जेंडर सेंसिटाइजेशन की बात करूंगी मैं, किसके राइट्स की बात करूं जब खुद के राइट्स नहीं होते हैं तो यहाँ पे. So anyways, this is my last thing, and if you think that your messages are not getting delivered to me, then see your message first, what you have sent to me. Got it? It means you have been blocked. I am under absolute my right to block a person whose message I think it is below my dignity. This is what you say, gender empowerment. If somebody asks me, ministry can ask me. I have every answer. But please understand, maybe people do not have any, what you say, लोगों ने काम नहीं किया female officers के साथ भी, that's not my problem. That's not my bloody problem, okay? And nobody sends me any message. And if सबसे पहले आप अपने गिरबान में झांक कर देखिए कि अगर आपको लगता है No, I'm used to all these things. I'm just telling. The thing is that I will never. She says morning, I respond. I'm not under obligation, but I say, okay, that's a basic courtesy. I do not know कहाँ से आप आए हो, कहाँ जाओगे. I really do not know. But I will not entertain. And if your messages are not getting delivered, I'm putting on record. You are blocked. You're blocked. Okay? And Team CG shell. Anybody wants to send me messages? I get messages on normal messages आते हैं. ठीक है? Normal messages आते हैं. I thank you. I will respond on the normal messages, but not on WhatsApp. ठीक है? So gender sensitization तो बात की बात है. पहले हमें basic courtesies आनी चाहिए. And I do not want to go on the extent of saying कि भाई आपकी भी daughters हैं, mothers हैं, sisters हैं, everybody is there, So at least have some respect for the woman who is not asking personal favor. Am I asking any personal favor? Tell me. No. If I am asking under any, अब मैं आपको कुछ बोलूँगा, कुछ आपको देना है मुझे, तो I am asking you all these papers के response only ना. What a personal thing I am asking. Personal तो देख लिया मैंने यहाँ पे क्या हाल है. वो तो बात ही नहीं कर सकते हैं उस बारे में तो. So anyways, now. Anybody, and even for male also, if somebody is feeling okay that the women or me, including me, if I am not having not following procedure, not having due courtesy, do tell me. I'm open. I'm all open. But you have to have some sort of कुछ तो sense होना चाहिए. Hi, hello क्या होता है? Hi, hello, what is that? वो भी नहीं लिखते. Okay, what is okay? What is okay? Anyways, so we were supposed to do, I thought we will do a long workshop, but anyways, I thought minimum this thing we can start. You cannot offer a chair to a woman. Completely okay, though it's not okay. My ambassador used to bash the officers who cannot even offer a chair to a woman. But वो तो बाद की बात आती है, वो तो बाद के हैं संस्कार ना. अभी तो शुरू में ही, that's why he used to train the TSLT like thoroughly. अभी क्या है, अभी आप क्या ट्रेन करूँ मैं, किसको ट्रेन करूँ, बताओ. किसी को ट्रेन नहीं कर सकती. बट एनीवेज एटलीस्ट आपको मैं इतना बता रही हूँ कि मैं आई एम नॉट अंडर एनी ऑब्लिगेशन टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू दीज मैसेजेस. वेरी क्लियर मैसेजेस, मेल्स, सो व्हाटएवर टाइप्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, आई एम अंडर नो ऑब्लिगेशन till at least you have some courtesy to at least address. That is the basic minimum. उसके बाद में हमारे लिए आप करें नहीं करें, किसी के लिए करें नहीं करें, nobody, that is somebody's, I would say, उसके अपने संस्कार होते हैं, उसकी अपनी ट्रेनिंग होती है. उसके अलावा I will not. And if you send me one more messages, you means anybody, I am gonna block. I'm telling you. People have to take. If you do not take me seriously, then no one will take me seriously. If I cannot, at least in my office, if people cannot take me. Okay, so that ends my gender sensitization. If you get a message from admin, MEA, आपने क्या किया? Tell that CG briefed. CG gave a sensitizing workshop. ठीक है, ऑल इंडिया बेस, बाद में मैं लोकल से बात करूँ, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग, ठीक है. सो नाउ दैट इज डन. नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग, ऑडिट. कहाँ पे है हमारे रिस्पॉन्सेज? ऑल रिस्पॉन्सेज वी हैव. इफ वी हैव ऑल द रिस्पॉन्सेज, everybody